Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we have a lot of positive news. Guys, listen up. Pay attention because this is a very important. These are big names that could be changing the future of what we hold of our portfolios, and I'll tell you exactly how everything links. So I need your focus, okay? And this is in regards to Bone, actually, okay? So I've gone deeper. I have actually found an article, but I'm going to give you even deeper analysis to get you a better understanding of what is going on. So the new Twitter CEO Linda Yaccarino follows Shiba Inu. So how is this going to be a good thing for us? I'll explain to you everything. Please pay attention. Now, earlier today, Elon Musk introduced Linda Yaccarino as the new Twitter CEO. While news has now arrived that she follows Shiba Inu, currently it is unknown the level of interest Yaccarino maintains in the meme coin, but she shows her awareness of the digital asset. Musk announced last night that he would be appointing a new CEO for the social media platform. Additionally, he noted that the new executive would be taking the position in just 6 weeks. Consequently, the announcement was made today that Yaccarino would be taking on the position, okay? So Twitter CEO follows SHIB. As Elon Musk announced that he would be stepping down as Twitter CEO, rumors around his potential replacement started swirling. Subsequently, more rumblings about that eventual replacement being Linda started to make headway. Then prior to the confirmation, rumors began with the potential new Twitter CEO followed Shiba Inu. Consequently, those initial rumors proved true as Yaccarino does indeed follow the official Twitter account of the meme coin. Yaccarino only followed 1,161 Twitter accounts at the time, with one of them being the meme coin. Alternatively, speculation started to run rampant on new CEO's level of involvement of interest in the digital asset. Additionally, those rumors persisted when it was revealed that Yaccarino did not follow any other cryptocurrency account, thus adding to the idea she be more of a Shiba Inu enthusiast than a cryptocurrency advocate. Conversely, Yaccarino has not publicly spoken about the project, so her level of interest has not been identified. However, the SHIB army has responded with excitement, knowing that the newest Twitter executive is aware of the meme coin's ecosystem. So here it is, Elon Musk giving us, an update who the new CEO is. And Musk announced earlier today that Yaccarino would be appointed to focus on business operations for the platform. Alternatively, Musk will remain focused on product design, new technology. Additionally, Musk declared that his excitement bringing the new CEO on board. He stated that the hire was another effort made in developing the social media platform into X, the Everything app. The official announcement arrived after Musk announced his intention to step down from the position. Specifically, Musk stated that he intended to transition to more of an executive chair, subsequently overseeing the product and software development for the growth of the platform. So here it is, big stuff, big news, exciting, movements. And finally, we are seeing something happening. Now, guys, having someone on board, okay, like the CEO of Twitter, the new CEO who follows Shiba Inu, is very important, because I'll explain to you now. Cryptocurrencies in the future could become much bigger, okay? And having like a CEO of Twitter that's going to hold a lot of power, millions and millions of people are on Twitter, that could really shift the focus and interest. If someone like Linda decided that, Shiba Inu needs more attention, she could make it happen. She could easily make it happen, with a few movements, okay? And I am telling you right now, if we had someone with that much contact, with that much power on board, that would be a complete game changer, okay? For Shiba Inu and for Bone. And I'll explain to you why Bone, if you are holding some Bone, this could go even higher. Because remember, Shibarium is coming out, okay? and everybody that wants to, you know, not pay any high fees, that want to use a cheaper alternative to buy, to sell, do everything on the blockchain, will go through Shibarium. Now remember, what will Shibarium need? What is the gas token on Shibarium? It is bone. So now do the calculations and do the maths. If someone like, you know, this CEO decides to really push for the exposure of Shiba Inu, you know, and let it out there, make a statement, get everyone, you know, talking about it, she can get it done easily. So that would mean more demand, more investors going in. And if more demand happens, okay, that means more people on Shibarium. More people on Shibarium, that means bone will be utilized more. If it's utilized more, guess what? Demand grows, price goes up. So we could see bone going up to $1,000. Easy. If we had, you know, the whole Twitter protecting and really pushing Shiba Inu out there, I think it would be very possible. If Linda is following Shiba Inu, it's for a reason. It must be for a reason, because I don't think she's very heavy on all the cryptos, but it looks like, you know, Shiba Inu has its soft spot, it has its place. So I guess the power here is definitely in her hands. A lot of possibility can be made from this, okay, can be done. And I believe that we have a very, very interesting path to go through, okay, with a lot of potential here. So please don't, you know, don't fall asleep. Don't underestimate. I mean, yes, nothing still big has happened. She still hasn't displayed any interest, but she's a big name. Okay, and if she's following Shiba Inu, it is for a reason. She isn't even following that many accounts. Okay, and if Shiba Inu is one of them, perhaps if in the future cryptocurrencies will play even a bigger role, and if they'll start, you know, replacing the currencies in the world, and if there is definitely more interest in it, then hey, everything is possible, as I've said. And it is a matter of time until we see these type of massive movements happening. Okay, and if Twitter ever has to select a crypto, then perhaps they would have to do, you know, something with Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu will be connected to Shibarium, and Shibarium will be connected to Bone. So me as a massive Bone holder and Shiba Inu holder, I think it definitely draws a big future, big long-term future, and for sure, you know, they are more for it than against it, so that already gives it that much more exposure. And if they go onto it, then other social media would go into it, and I think with that much power, they can really make it happen. They can make big things, massive adoption, more transactions going through Shibarium. Bone is going to be skyrocketing. The credibility for these cryptocurrencies is going to be massive. So expect prices to grow like no tomorrow. And if they will hold, okay, if they will buy, say for example, Shiba Inu, and perhaps, you know, if she's following Shiba Inu, it's because she has some holdings in it. And if she understands what needs to be done, how much burning needs to happen, then I believe that she could do it through social media, and nobody could stop her and Elon Musk as well. So you know, as I've said, the future is here, okay, and it's very, very bright. There's so much to be done. These are my little, you know, assumptions of how it could look in the future. So it is up to you guys to, you know, really start thinking long term and start connecting the dots and start realizing that, you know, we have some big names and we have some potential and opportunities that we could go very, very far with it. We are a very active community. There's going to be a lot of burning. We've got layer 2 solution coming out. So all that great stuff is on its way. Okay, so get ready, be prepared, don't sleep. As I've always said on these opportunities, especially nowadays, they are very, very interesting. So turn your notifications bell on, subscribe, also comment down below. Does it make a big difference if we have such a big name on board, or does it not make a difference? Let us know down below in the comment section. And as usual, guys, a big thank you to everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.